Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change debit card on Nintendo Switch. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Step 1 is to access Nintendo eShop, power on your Nintendo Switch console and navigate to the home screen. Locate and select the Nintendo eShop icon. It is represented by an orange shopping bag. The second step is to open account information within the Nintendo eShop. Scroll down and find your user profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the icon to access your account information. The next step is to select user information in the account information menu. You will see several options. Choose user information or a similar option to manage your user profile settings. Step 4 is to go to payment methods. So within the user information menu, look for an option such as payment methods or credit card information. Tap on this option to access your currently linked payment methods. The last step is to remove and add new debit card. In the payment method sections, you should see your current debit card information. Select the option to remove or delete your existing debit card from your Nintendo Switch account. Once removed, choose the option to add a new payment method. Follow the prompts to enter the details of your new debit card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Save the changes once you have entered the required information. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.